Question 6. We have the absolute value of negative 2x plus 10 equals 0. What is the value of x for the equation above? We have the absolute value of negative 2x plus 10 equals 0. The first step in solving this question is to remove this absolute value. So removing the absolute value, the value on the other side of the equals to sign has to get a positive and a negative. So we have negative 2x plus 10 equals, 0 can have a plus or minus. You can't have plus or minus 0. 0 is 0. It doesn't carry a positive or a negative sign. So you don't need to put plus or minus 0. If you take 0 as positive or negative, you still get the same effect. So you have to leave it as 0. Next, we'll solve for x. Now, you could have your negative 2x on the left and move the positive 10 to the right. Negative 2x equals, standard in math, you say subtract 10 from both sides. It has the same effect as saying plus 10 crosses the equals sign and becomes minus 10. We're looking for x, so we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 2. So we divide by negative 2, not just 2, and this is also by negative 2. Negative divided by negative is positive. 2 divided by 2 will cancel out 1. Then you'll be left with x here equals negative divided by negative, you have positive. 10 divided by 2, you have 5. X is 5. So the answer to the question is A, that's 5, or positive 5. Going back to this step, I said earlier, you could take this negative 2x to the right, leaving this plus 10 here on the left. We have it as minus 2x plus 10 equals 0. We take the minus 2x to the right. Since it's negative 2x, standard in math, you say add 2x to both sides. It's the same result as saying 10 equals negative 2x crosses the equals sign and turns to positive 2x. That's still 2x. 0 is nothing. So you have 10 equals 2x. We're looking for x, so we divide both sides by 2. 2 cancels 2. X equals 10 divided by 2, that's 5. So x is 5. The same result. Hope you understand.